We are iconic. What we do, we work with your favourite brands, influencers, people you've seen online, artists, and create amazing dreams for these people. So that gives you an idea of what we do. Let's get into this week. This week, we have Nature Spell Manchester pop-up. Let's start there because that's what we're going to start immediately manufacturing. Sarah, take the floor away. Where are we at with that? Now you.
This lovely drawing. This is what they want.
That's what we want. So here we got some vocals from our Monday morning meetings. Adam has strictly put in the calendar to have Monday morning meetings at 9 AM and we try to adhere to them, but often it doesn't happen. We must get better at that actually. But yeah, just running through various jobs, what's happening in the week and what's coming up. Coming up this week is the Nature Spell set, which we got to design, build and get installed in Manchester, and then we got a last minute job going up in Paris.
Basically,
there's two side walls, two front walls, isn't it?
Yeah, but what they don't like is obviously we have to do it in two pieces. They don't like when you've got like a seam down here.
Yeah.
So we do the panels if we do it like that, and then. So then set 2 needs to have a TV. What's she saying it? A TV here, and then some sort of arch shelving here, so that when they do the shot, both is in the shot. But it's still going to be. Doesn't need to be any different to what we did.
Sarah's running this job, so we have to listen to her. She's the big boss man on this one. After this meeting, followed up with this, she will talk to the client and have a chat with them just to try and get the final things over the line in terms of artwork and exactly what things are going to look like, make sure everyone understands A, what they're getting, and B, we know what we're doing, make sure everyone's happy. So, as you heard in the meeting, very last minute job going to Paris. Got to be there by 5 PM. Better get going. Oh, helps if I undo the car, doesn't it? Better get going. So there's me jumping in the car. Ollie gave us strict instructions to film everything, document for a YouTube video. However, decided to give it to us in TikTok? Don't know what TikTok is. TikTok format. So unfortunately, some footage is portrait. We shall be having stern words about that, but we won't make that same mistake again. So apologies for that.
Do you reckon you get a launch mode in it?
Next stop. Hey, Paris. Hey. We're just gonna go.
Yeah.
Just gonna go. Just going.
Mate.
I'm just going.
There's so many lanes. What's going on?
Go. I don't know what I'm doing. Just going. Don't look in the mirrors. Just keep going round. We're meant to come off there. I'm just going to keep going round.
Keep going round.
Just going to go. Just going round again. I'm just going round again. Just going round. Having survived the Arc de Triomphe, crazy place that is, we then got to site to do some actual work. What job we were doing for the event IMCAS, and we built this stunning back wall, all illuminated with special LED lighting. To the stage and this stunning map wall as well, which light up various areas, and then it came to the point where it was time to have a break and find Peroni.
Peroni!
So, job is complete. We know what time it is. What time is it, Troy?
Beer time.
But specifically what beer, Troy?
Peroni.
Can we find Peroni in the streets of Paris? So the previous pace, we tried a small Peroni and it wasn't great, but we've located another one. Look, they're taking it very seriously. Looks very posh. Let's see if we can just get a drink. Guys, look. I mean, we've had to put back a couple there. We've had to throw a couple back. The first two weren't great.
Cleared the lines.
We were the first ones in here, so we've cleared the lines. Now we're bob on. That's it. We are back at Calais, waiting to get on to the train. The end. Cue Peter Drury commentary.
The end. Make sense of that.
The end.
Where on earth are we now?
There you go. Calais. Bit of a dive, really, isn't it?
Yes.
Sit. Let's see if we can get on the train we want to get on and get ourselves back home. But that's it. We're back from Paris. Lovely little trip. Let's see what the guys are getting on with the Nature Spell set. So here we see Sarah just talking to the client, going over the final details, i.e. graphics, prints, what's going where exactly, making sure they're happy with what they're going to get to what we expect that we're providing. As with any project, the way it works is we start with the design process and then that turns into technical drawings. Maybe one of these videos later on will show you some more, sort of feature some more technical drawings and stuff. Troy is working the CNC here, just drawing the shapes and sizes that he needs as per the drawings to create some units. Once it's all programmed in, it's very simple. This one looks like it's quite rectangular. He's actually probably been a bit lazy here, could just use the panel saw or the track saw, but there we go, wasting electricity. CNC is a great little bit of kit. Does a lot of our vinyl works, cuts acrylic, metal, woods, as you can see. Got a 3-in-1 machine. It's a bit of a hybrid, and it's got a rotating bed, which means you have no limit to your length. And then the machine will go around, cut it out, and once everything's cut out, Troy can go ahead and put it all together. Once everything's cut, obviously Troy will take what he needs, and the rest gets sustainably disposed of. About the first time I've ever seen Troy tidy up, to be fair. So Troy's now making the archway.
Troy build.
Put some 2B1s and might make them all round before he pins them in, gets them in position. And then he'll clad and skin it both sides to create an archway, and then put some shelves in there for the shelving unit, and then it'll all get decorated.
In some struts using mitre glue to the outside of the shelving unit, so we can then lay some more MDF on the inside and create a nice curved area. Nice finish on the inside.
Once it's all pinned together, we put the skin on the inside, and he'll put a front and back on, and then he'll put the shelves in, sand it all down, fill it all, make sure it's all lovely for painting. Right there, Troy's using a flush trim router just to bring it back and square in line before he sands it and rubs it all down.
King in the castle, king in the castle.
And everything's getting painted and the shelves are getting pinned in, and it's nearly done now, and then it'll be finished up, wrapped, packed, and ready to go on the van.
Come with us as we head off to Manchester. We've got our van all packed up, ready to go. Going up to the Nature Spell office in Manchester for a TikTok set. Everything all loaded into the back of the van. All tools, overnight bags, and there, off we go. See you there. Say hi, Troy.
Hi, Troy.
Here we go.
I think I'm not involved in the installation of this one, so I will leave you in the capable hands of Troy, Adam and Ollie, and let's see how they got on.
Troy drink, Troy happy.
No. No, Ollie.
I'm going to jump back in here and just say beers before work, and then have a look at this clip. I don't know about you guys, but I think they're feeling a little worse for wear here.
Right.
These are offcuts. Let's get an access card off them.
Huh?
We have to get an access card off them to come in and out, like we did in London.
Happening.
It's because they're not saying what they want to do with that.
Okay.
They didn't say take it away. Take that away, for sure.
3 sets to put up.
3 sets.
Equally spaced out across the wall. A couple of vinyl drops on each set. We need to steer clear of the radiator, obviously, for the camera shot. So we're going to come slightly in. Would you agree? Maybe come in.
I agree.
Maybe. Same again by the door. We don't want to be able to capture anything ugly on the camera. I'm going to set this up so. Yeah, just coming from the door. Sweet.
And then the third one in the middle.
Third one, I've got to just be checked between them. Yes. Again, there's a radiator there though, which is annoying. So.
Troy think, Troy fix.
Troy think. Well, there's a radiator in the middle of the wall. You know, it's quite a big problem. Right in the middle of the wall where your vinyl's going, there's a radiator.
1, 2, 3 and go inside of it.
So now that way, one there, one switch up that way. There's no point asking them later.
What's the width?
Well, each one's going to be about, it's going to be about 2.5 metres, so you're probably looking from here to like the plug socket. Not far off for the vinyl drops. Maybe a little bit less, but there's 3 of them, so
that's a big problem.
Point, that's going to hit that radiator.
Troy fix.
side, yeah? Up. Ready?
Yeah.
Got it? Drop this and I'll drop you, mate. Drop this and I'll drop you. Oh, bruh. Adam. Come on, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Left in there, just another unit. Get the vinyl in there and stuff as well. I need to start getting started on the vinyl and start moving stuff out.
So how does this stick? Is it like a wallpaper, like where you have to put glue on the wall first and stuff?
No, so this is a high-tack vinyl. So what we do is we basically peel the backing paper off the vinyl. So there's a lining that separates the vinyl. And this is using like a really big sticker, essentially.
How do you make sure there's no air bubbles?
It's what we use a squeegee, so we go from left to right, push the air out of the vinyl as we lay it down. You shall see, my friend.
Set it up.
Yeah, start getting them ready on the stands, not put them on the
Wait,
Wait, don't start.
Don't start.
Tell me what I said.
Don't go diving in.
Troy's currently installing the third set vinyl. Dead on in the middle. What are you gonna do about the radiator?
I'll cut it. What I will do is I will cut it nicely around the radiator. But luckily we have a unit going in front, so
You won't be able to see it.
you won't be able to see it. Is a good thing. Do you want to go on the top because the bottom's going to be heavier?
Yeah.
What are you measuring now?
I'm going to make this fit nicely against the wall, so I'm going to chop a little bit out the back of the unit, along with cutting a gap so where the pipe sits on the radiator, so the unit can fit nicely against the wall.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart, I'm my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'm asleep at decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. I want never
Right, all wrapped up. 3 sets built. TV's installed. Display unit. TV set up ready to sort of media players. Video playing there. And yeah, that's a wrap.
There we go, guys. Nature spell set, which looks absolutely stunning for what it is. You know, we do massive jobs and we do little ones like this as well. Turned it around very quickly for them. And the girls seem to be really happy with it, as you can see here. Actually quite funny. Sorry for throwing you girls under the bus, but here we are.
I think he's just saying like how we think the set is.
Okay.
It's not like a...
We love the set.
No, we think the set looks great. We're really excited to do our live streams and they've just been fantastic.
Yeah. Super speedy.
Super speedy,
Super
super
speedy.
clean, super quick.
Lovely gentleman. But yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. So that was the end of our first ever YouTube video, trying to give you an insight to what we do. I hope you enjoyed it. We've got so much more coming up, working with some big brands, some exciting stuff that we can't wait to show you. So please, please, please like the like button, subscribe, click that subscribe button, and share by clicking, I guess, the share button. I don't really know about this sort of stuff, and we'll catch you next time.
Who's that?
It's like it's Sam at Bait Squad, mate.